Okay, welcome back guys. We have another question in today's video, and we have 5 to the x plus 5 to the x is equal to 150, and we need to figure out the value of the x. So on the left side we can see that we have 5x, so we'll have 2 times 5 to the x, and this will be equal to 150, which will be 2 times 75, and we can cancel out the 2 on each side, and we will have 5 to the x is equal to 75. And we know that 75 is 3 times 25, or 3 times 5 to the 2. And if we do the logarithm on each side of this equation, we will have the log of 5 to the x is equal to the log of 3 times 5 to the 2. And from the laws of logarithm, we know if we have log of a to the b, this will be equal to b times log of a. And when we have log of a times b, this will be equal to log of a plus log of b. So here we will have x log of 5 from the first line here, and from the second one we'll have log of 3 plus log of 5 squared, and we know these two can go in the back, so we will have x log of 5 is equal to log of 3 plus 2 log of 5. And now we can divide everything by log of 5, so we will have x is equal to log of 3 over log of 5 plus 2. And we have another law of logarithm. When we have log of a divided by log of b, this will be equal to log base b of a. So here our x will be log base 5 of 3 plus 2, and there we go. That's going to be the final answer for this question. Please let me know if you have any other ways to solve this question, and if you have any comment question, just drop it in the comment section. I'll be happy to discuss it with you guys. You guys take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one.